lay back again and then come up and like move around.
Okay.
Yeah. Like be a chill bride and then be a bitchy bride. It's a little cold. Bring the hair.
Sorry.
And this is great because the most important thing is, and just with cotton rounds, we're gonna remove it. Of being that the skin is wet, to be able to go to the eye, but once you put on the a little bit better, and it'll help with the deep hydration. Usually that pump is enough.
I do have very dry skin. I sleep with Vaseline at night.
Get out.
I swear.
Oh my God.
Especially as it gets colder.
Oh yeah.
It's even worse.
Okay. I put them a little lower because I love to do it on the sides of the temples right here because a lot of people get like tension headaches. So this is like a nice relaxation as well. Keep chin back.
Sorry.
Her eyebrow hairs. You always want to be going upwards to lift the brow. Because if the client's brows, take a seat, babe. The live.
Yeah.
And this is how I make sure that both brows are symmetrical. Those are your lashes or you have extensions?
My lashes.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
Thank you. They're just so blonde, so you can't see them until the mascara on.
It's the little details that count, trust. And set that concealer. Notice how my entire eyeshadow application has brown. You always want to be very careful, once again, with the crease, okay? The day you get married, you're gonna have fun because you've got your makeup done by a lot of bridal makeup artists, right?
I don't want a wedding.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What?
You don't want a wedding? Get out of here, no way. I mean, I don't blame you. I don't want a big wedding either.
I guess today's your wedding day.
I've seen myself in wedding dresses and veils. It's not even gonna be exciting for me.
I mean, yeah, because you do it all the time, right? Yeah. Look, chin up. But it's fun though. You
No,
get
it
to
is fun.
play in
Of
it.
course it is.
So you've seen yourself as a bride many times.
Yeah.
Turn this
I
way.
always joke that for my wedding, I'm gonna have like straight hair, like just I'm gonna be over it.
No, that's literally me. I told them that I don't even want big hair for my wedding day, that I would literally just want to blow out and that's it. I can't. It's too much. I love it on other people, but other than that, give me a nice blowout. Soft
Okay.
makeup.
I know, I'm gonna be like, go straighten my hair and put mascara on.
A little lip gloss and you're good to go. I know that color difference is insane, but her chest is really tan. It just doesn't look as tan on camera, but it is.
So when I self-tan my face, I put it over the Vaseline. Otherwise, I'd be a Sahara Desert today.
So again, most of the foundation go. You're gonna go back in with the sponge. I had nose contour blindness at one point, I have to say. I could recognize it. I had it, and I had blush blindness too. And listen, it happens. Oh my God, look how glowy your skin looks. You see that?
Yeah.
Like, wow. And the reason why I used a clean sponge,
To give a drone over you.
literally.
I wish I had a drone. I would have had a drone in the house right now.
Tapping motions. And I bring that blush. I didn't add any more product. What you saw there was me dusting off a little bit of the product. Get up.
Every time I see the phone, just.
He's back at it again.
It's like peekaboo, right?
Yeah. He does it like
I
slowly.
see it too.
He does it like slowly too.
Yeah, that's smooth.
And I didn't add bronzer to her forehead because of the fact that her hair is so fair. Powder. And I go in. Look up straight, yeah. Love it. This is MAC Fix Plus. Take a deep breath in for me. Especially in this area right here. Breathe. Cupid's bow is a must. Because even though when you put liner and blend everywhere where you put highlight. A little bit to the brow bone area, chin up. Look down. Add. Well, that's good that that happened. I could show you guys how to remove it, I guess. In real life. Thank you. You're welcome. Lip end right there. The lip combo so far, because I'm not done with it. This inner corner in there. Let me see. Open. Look at the camera. So you see how when I'm just gonna blend in place. We want to make sure it looks nice and clean. Look at the difference already. And the color is very rich. It's not like those glosses that are like clear and the reason why I'm not curling them is because these lashes are already curly and I don't want to disrupt the shape. Open a little bit. That top is so cute.
Very cute.
And believe it or not, we're gonna add glitter. We have
You
to.
sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
I can move in the room every time.
Just twinkle around.
You might as well get it from
I might as well just do a snow angel real quick.
And just add a little bit. There we go. Look how cute that looks. Am I ready? Look at that face, girl.
Oh, that looks so good.
Stunning.
So good.
Oh, that's such a pretty picture too.
No, it looks really, really good.
Everything. Let me clean the earrings actually because I got a
No,
little
it looks
makeup on
really,
them.
really good.
Lay back again and then come up and like move around.
Okay.
Yeah. Like be a chill bride and then be a bitchy bride.